Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the question subsets, and it is a medium level problem and a very basic and fundamental question that you must know because that could be easily asked in an interview. So let's say you are given an array nums of unique elements and return all possible subsets in the power sets. The solution must not contain any duplicate subsets and return solution in any order. So you can see here is a 1 2 3. So you just have to generate all the possible subsets, like there could be empty 1 2 3, 1 2 uh, 2 3, similarly 1 2 3, and yeah, that's all. And also 1 3, and yeah, that's the key. Like you just have to generate all the possible subsets. Okay. So there could be two approaches. Either it could be a power set, and then we will also discuss about the backtracking approach, how it is happening. So let's come to the whiteboard and let's see how for the year. So our first example is for the array 1 2 3. Okay. So let's say it's a 1 2 3. Okay. So for this there could be a possibility of 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3. So it could be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, fine. And ignore the handwriting. So there could be a possibility of we just have to represent all that in a binary. Okay. That's all. And now you can think you just whichever is the set bit now, you just place those number. Like here it is empty. Okay. Here it would be 3, here it would be 2, here it would be a 2 3. Got it? Here it could be a 1, here could be a 1 3, here could be a 1 2, here could be a 1 2 3. So in that way now we generated all the possible subsets. Okay, got it? So here you can see all these things are actually present in the answer. So we just have to code for that. Okay. So how this we can do, I will show you in the code how it is done. So let's say this is the power set concept. What we are doing, we are iterating for the 2 to the power n values. That would be in 3 in case of the 8. And what we are doing, we keep on checking which of the bit is the set bit. And if it is the set bit, then we are just adding all these in a new temp yeah, vector. And then we are keep pushing that in our final answer vector of vector int, because that we made global layer, and that's the final answer. It is very pretty much easy question, and the complexity for this one would be like 2 to the power n, as well as you are also going through going iterating through n values. Okay, with the 2 to the power n. Okay, so it would be 2 to the power n into n. Got it? And the another, so this would be one of the approach. We can further optimize it by the using of the backtracking. We can easily do that in 2 to the power n. So for the 2 to the power n now, I have one more approach. I will discuss it. uh, let's move this part to somewhere. Okay. Sorry. So what I can do, now there could be a one more way. Like let's say 1 2 and 3 are there, right? So you must know the concept of the either take the element or not take the element. So let's say one is not taken. Here one taken. Again nothing is taken. Here is two is taken. And again nothing is taken. And here 1 2 3 is taken. And the for nothing is taken 2. But here 2 3 is taken. Got it? Similarly, now you just have to make sure कि you are keeping things. Nothing is taken, but here 1 2 is taken. Here nothing is taken, but here you keep 1 and 3. And here nothing, you keep 1 and 3. 1 2 and 3. So that's the all possible generated cases you can see, like whichever you were looking for. So in that way now you can also generate all the possible things. And the thing is ki here the array have all the unique elements. So so you don't have to worry about the duplication part. Okay, if it would have been a, repeating element then you must have to take care of that. So for the backtracking and this code base, you just simply have to go through the backtracking concepts. Like we will start with we'll be calling the function zero index, this one, and you just have to keep this in mind only, that part. Okay. So what we created a function and the answer is stored in a global answer, and if the index reaches last limit they will just push that element, that we will push the that vector in the final answer, and we'll just backtrack return to that. So on moving to the next element we will just push it into the new vector and calling the next elements, and then we try to uh, once it is reaches to this step then it will be pop back the elements and calling the next function without taking the elements. So this one is basically the take it, and this is not take it. Hope you get the question, and the complexity would be here 2 to the power n only. So this is the more uh, more optimal one. So yeah, that's all. If you have any doubt, please comment. I will try to solve it or give you the solution.